Welcome to this comprehensive guide on how to get money off a rapid pay card. This tutorial will walk you through the steps to access your funds efficiently. First, ensure you have your rapid pay card and the corresponding PIN. If you have not activated your card, do so by following the instructions provided with the card. To get money off your rapid pay card, you can use an ATM. Locate an ATM near you, preferably one that is in network to avoid any additional fees. Insert your card, enter your PIN, and select the withdrawal option. Choose the account type, usually checking, and enter the amount you wish to withdraw. Another option is to get cash back at a retail store. Many merchants, such as grocery stores or pharmacies, offer cash back with a purchase. Let the cashier know you would like to get cash back before the transaction is processed. You can also transfer funds from your rapid pay card to your bank account. Log into your online account or use the mobile app. Navigate to the transfer section and follow the prompts to initiate the transfer. Be aware that transfer times and fees may vary. In addition, you can use your rapid pay card to make purchases online or in person. Similar to a traditional debit card, when shopping online, enter your card information as you would with any other debit or credit card. For in-person purchases, simply swipe or insert your card and enter your PIN. To manage your account and monitor your balance, download the mobile app or visit the website. Here you can check your account balance, review transactions, and find ATMs. To avoid any issues, always keep your card and PIN secure, and be mindful of any fees associated with your card, such as maintenance fees or ATM fees. By following these steps, you can easily access your money and manage your rapid pay card account. Remember to always keep your account information secure and be aware of any fees to get the most out of your card.